Which of the following has not been stated as a resemblance between the Gospels and postmodern texts? Option A reworking of the predetermined material for literary effect. Let us look at the second paragraph, the last two lines. Each Gospel is therefore a reworking of predetermined material for literary effect. Sounds familiar? And then the third paragraph starts talking about the postmodern cut-up technique. So this reworking of predetermined material for literary effect is common for Gospel as well as postmodern texts. Option B, a mix of various sections including miracle stories, parables and proverbs. Let us look at the fourth paragraph. It says, the pericopes are a mashup of genres including exorcisms, miracle stories, parables, sayings, proverbs, instructions for church discipline and rules for communities. And when we look at the first line, it says the resemblance to postmodern text goes further. So this is definitely a common point between Gospels and postmodern text. Let's look at option C. Multiple perspectives on a particular story that opens the mind to interpretation. Let us go to the seventh paragraph. It says, this multiple Jesus story leaves space for interpretation between the repetitions, revisions and contradictions that punctuate four distinct Gospels. The passage in the previous line says, there is no single incontrovertible truth, and this absence of single incontrovertible truth is common to postmodern text as well as Gospels. So option C can also be inferred from the passage. Option D, a typographical flamboyance that is particular to a few postmodern authors. Let us go back to the fourth paragraph. It says, with a little more typographical flamboyance, the Gospels could look like the kind of mosaic text readers might expect from Jennifer Egan. So at present, it does not look like a postmodern text because of the present level of typographical flamboyance, but in case a little more is done, then it will look just like a postmodern text. So option D is definitely not a resemblance between the Gospels and postmodern text, and hence is the correct answer to the question.